And today we are demystifying the magic behind perfectly fitting shirts. But before I get my hands on that pattern paper, I want to assure you something. Even if you're a beginner, I've got your back and shoulders. So grab your measuring tape, channel your inner designer, and let's draft that shirt's pattern faster than you can say seam allowance. First, make marks for horizontal points. Mark 2 inches for shoulder slant. Mark our armhole depth. You can measure it on body or use standard formulas. And mark the stomach and entire length. Then, on this margin, mark 2.5 inches. This will serve as some call it box plate, others call it placket. It's an overlap for closing and opening of shirts. Now connect the horizontal points. Divide neck circumference by 5 and make a mark here. Connect it like this. And then divide shoulder measurements by 2 plus half of an inch allowance and mark along this line. Draw your shoulder line. Divide chest circumference by 4 plus 1.5 inches for allowance. From this place, come in by 3/4 of an inch and mark. Then connect from the shoulder tip to this point. Bring in a French curve and draw nice curves at these places. Next, divide stomach circumference by 4 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Here, divide hip circumference by 4 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. If you want curves at the hem of your shirt, go up here by 1.5 inches. Place your hip curve like this and connect like you are seeing me doing. Use a French curve and a ruler here. Now, cut this pattern out. This is our front pattern. Now we just have to use it to cut the back pattern. Bring in a second pattern paper. We've cut the 2 inches shoulder slant already drawn on it. Place the front on top of the back. Ensure the lines are aligned. Now displace the front here by half or 3/4 of an inch. Go out here by 3/4 of an inch and mark a point. Use your curve like this. Just use a ruler and finish it up. Cut out. Also cut out this part. Now we cut a front pattern and an incomplete back pattern. Let's just label them out. To complete the back pattern, we kinda need a yoke. Here is how to draft and cut it. It's 6 inches long. Mark 2 inches points for shoulder slant. Connect these points. Neck wideness is the same as front neck wideness. Box it out. Next, divide shoulder length by 2. Place a tape measure along this line and mark. Connect it like this. Back neck is 1 inch deep. Mark it out. Draw a curve right here. Draw here too. This yoke should overlap 2 inches to the front. Just extend here a little bit. Cut it out. Bring in the back and compare side by side. Bring in the front too. Let me quickly show you how to cut the sleeve pattern. Fold your pattern paper into 2. We mark our cap height using the formula. Cap height L equals arm circumference divided by 4 plus 0.5 to 1 inch. Next, mark your desired length. Subtract cuff's length from it, minus 3 inches. Draw the new length. Next, draw a diagonal line that is equivalent to armhole circumference divided by 2 plus 0.5. Divide this line into 3 equal parts. Go out here by 1 inch and draw freehand like this. Place your hip curve here. Note, wrist is larger before that and sewing allowance intake. There you have it, a sleeve pattern for your shirt. As usual, make the front part a bit deeper.